what Corey does in my car and ignores me. She doesn't know I'm recording her. She's got her bug glasses on. Hey Corey, I'm recording you. I'm recording you.